Hey guys, this is Andre, and for those that are made those resolutions of wanting to do something different or do something better for this new year coming up, for starters, too, don't give up on that. If you're really, really serious, I've mentioned this before too, have it written down. You remember it better if it's written down too, whether it be a goal, something you want to finish off, accomplishment, or something. But it's so much better when written down, other than just saying it in this, saying however you feel or whatever, however you say it. But when it's written down, that's something that you'll remember. It's like, okay, it's time to get going. So you hold yourself accountable. That's the main thing I'm trying to get across. But the whole point is don't give up on that, because some people, majority of people in society, is the resolution is forgotten, or is, they quit on it here 2.5 weeks in, and they always mark around. That's what surveys saying. They always mark around like January 17th, around that date when people are just completely forgotten. I mean, if you're one of those type of people that like to say I'm going to do something different or whatnot, but if you really sit back and think about it, it was no different from what you said a couple of years ago, then come on, now it's time to really do some soul searching. But I just wanted to throw that out there as far as just a little tip as far as if you are wanting to seriously do something different, at least have it written down so you'll be like, okay, I can get after that. Now, like I said, there's only a handful of people as far as percentage wise that do this in society, but it can be done if you're really, really serious about it. So I want to throw that suggestion out there for you guys as far as not giving up if you do have a resolution or goal you want to finish out or want to do for this year. So if you got any value from this, hey, comment, like, or share below this video too, as far as if this helped or not. And with that being said, I'll talk to you guys in the next video.